Hello everyone. You've probably seen banana trees everywhere, from peaceful rural areas to bustling cities, from backyard gardens to riversides. But there's something you might not know. With just one banana tree, we can make use of everything, from its fruit, flowers, and leaves to even its trunk. The banana tree not only gives us sweet, nutritious fruits, but also holds countless surprising values for our daily life and culture. In today's video, let's embark on an exciting journey to explore this seemingly ordinary yet truly special plant, honored as nature's green treasure. Bananas originated in Southeast Asia, a region blessed with a humid tropical climate, abundant rainfall, and fertile soil, making it the perfect environment for this plant to thrive. In Vietnam, banana groves are a familiar sight, stretching from the northern mountains to the Mekong Delta. More than just a fruit, bananas are deeply intertwined with daily life, culture, and even the childhood memories of many generations. Around the world, botanists have recorded more than 70 varieties of bananas. In Vietnam alone, we have well-known types such as Chuy Chu with its mild sweetness, Chuy Su, also called Chuy Xiam, with plump, chewy fruit, Golden Chuy Te, Chuy Hot with tiny seeds inside, fragrant Chuy Mock and Chuy Ngu, and the richly flavored Chuy Jia. Each variety offers its own unique taste and uses, catering to the diverse needs of consumers. One fascinating fact not everyone knows: what we commonly call the banana tree trunk is actually a pseudostem, formed from tightly wrapped layers of leaf sheaths. The true stem lies beneath the ground. It's the corm from which new shoots emerge. Remarkably, the banana is the largest herbaceous plant in the world. Each plant flowers and bears fruit only once in its lifetime. After producing its ripe bunch of bananas, it completes its life cycle, making way for young shoots to grow. This short yet complete life cycle makes the banana tree a symbol of devotion and renewal in nature. The life cycle of a banana plant is a fascinating and surprisingly fast process. From planting to harvesting, a banana plant goes through several key stages, each showcasing the wonders of nature. Stage 1. Sprouting. From the banana corm, which is the true underground stem, tender green shoots emerge and grow upward. These shoots develop into large, tightly wrapped leaf sheaths, forming what we call the pseudostem. During this stage, the plant needs plenty of sunlight, moist soil, and rich nutrients to grow quickly. Stage 2. Flowering. After about 6 to 8 months, when the plant reaches its mature height, a banana flower bud begins to push out from the center of the pseudostem. The flower stalk grows longer, and the purple bud droops downward. As each bract peels back, rows of small green bananas appear. Stage 3. Fruiting. This is the most rewarding stage. A banana bunch can contain between 5 and 15 hands, with each hand holding 10 to 20 bananas. The fruit gradually grows in size, changing from deep green to bright yellow or staying green, depending on the variety. Stage 4. Wilting. After the banana bunch is harvested, the mother plant naturally withers and dies. However, the life cycle never truly ends. New shoots sprout from the corm, starting the process all over again. What's truly remarkable is that the entire journey from planting to harvest takes only 8 to 12 months, making bananas one of the fastest producing and most reliable fruit crops in the world. This is why bananas are a year-round source of delicious, nutrient-rich food. When it comes to bananas, most of us think of a sweet, soft, and easy-to-eat fruit. But few people realize that the banana's nutritional value is truly impressive, making it one of the most consumed fruits worldwide. In just 100 grams of ripe banana, there are around 89 calories, along with high levels of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and support heart health. Bananas are also an excellent source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, dietary fiber, and natural energy that is quickly absorbed, making them ideal for breakfast or a healthy snack. Key health benefits of bananas supports digestive health. Bananas contain pectin and soluble fiber, which help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Helps lower blood pressure. The high potassium content in bananas balances sodium levels in the body, contributing to stable blood pressure. Boosts energy quickly. A single banana can provide a quick energy boost, making it perfect for athletes, gym goers, or anyone needing mental alertness. Promotes better sleep and mood. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin, improving relaxation and sleep quality. Things to keep in mind when eating bananas: people with diabetes should consume bananas in moderation to avoid sudden spikes in blood sugar. Those with sensitive stomachs should avoid eating bananas on an empty stomach, as it can cause discomfort. With its rich banana nutritional value and remarkable benefits of bananas, this fruit truly deserves a place in your daily diet for better overall health. The banana plant is truly one of the most versatile plants in the world because almost every part of it can be used in cooking, handicrafts, traditional medicine, or agriculture. That's why many people say, nothing from the banana plant goes to waste. Banana leaves. Fresh green banana leaves are flexible, durable, and have a mild aroma. In many Asian countries, they are used to wrap cakes, sticky rice, or other foods, helping retain flavor while being eco-friendly. Dried banana leaves can also be used for handicrafts or food decoration during festivals. Banana flour. The banana flour, also called the banana blossom, is a popular ingredient in soups, salads, and stir-fries. It is rich in fiber and nutrients, and is especially beneficial for postpartum women, helping improve milk production and overall recovery. Banana stem. The banana stem, soft and water-rich, is often chopped for animal feed or used as organic compost to improve soil health. In some regions, tender banana stems are cooked into traditional local dishes. Banana corm. The corm, the true underground stem, can be boiled, cooked in soups, or stir-fried. In traditional medicine, banana corms are believed to have healing properties and are used in herbal remedies. Banana fiber. Banana fiber is extracted from the stem and is used for weaving fabric, making ropes, or producing paper. In some artisan villages, banana fiber weaving is still preserved as a traditional craft, creating durable and unique handmade products. With these multiple benefits of the banana plant, it's clear that bananas are not just a nutritious fruit, but also a valuable resource in culture, economy, and everyday life across the world. The banana tree is not only a familiar sight in tropical regions, but also an essential part of daily life, cuisine, and culture. From the sweet, golden banana fruit rich in nutrients, to the fresh green banana leaves used for wrapping food, and even the banana flower, trunk, and corm, every part brings value. Remarkably, no part of the banana tree goes to waste. Banana flowers are used in salads and soups. The trunk and corm serve as animal feed or can be turned into delicious dishes. Banana fiber is woven into fabric, ropes, and handicrafts. That's why the banana tree is truly a green treasure of nature, nourishing people while being environmentally friendly. Next time you see a banana tree, remember that it's not just an ordinary plant, but a symbol of abundance and sustainability. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to discover more amazing wonders from the natural world.